welcome to How to Repair. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to clear this F21 error code. You may also have a error code F04, F05, F21 which is showing here, F42, F43 or F44. These are all motor related faults, so before attempting to clear the error code on Bosch, Neff or Siemens washing machines, these error codes all apply, you want to make sure you inspect the motor, replace the carbon brushes if need be, also check the wiring going to the circuit board and the wiring plug on the actual washing machine. And it's also worth inspecting the wiring harness itself, that there's no chaffed wires or anything else. So we'll now try to reset the error code on this machine. Right, we unplugged the appliance, we removed the motor. As I said in the other video, I'll show you in detail how to take the motor off, how to inspect and change the carbon brushes. I'm just going to quickly show you the problem with this. Taking the electrical connector off. You can see all the carbon dust, and if I bring this closely to the camera here, you can actually see the carbon is completely worn out. I'm going to replace the carbons in these, then we'll clear the error code. Right, here we have a replacement set of carbon brushes. They're not genuine. I like these home spare ones. They're high quality. They're laminated carbons and they're, in my opinion, as good as the original. And I'm just going to show you quickly the difference in length. You can see here the worn carbon brush. That one's still got a little bit of life, but this is the one that's gone completely, and you can see the difference in the length. And this is the fault with this appliance. So I'm going to quickly change these and then I'll show you how to clear the error code. Right, now we've actually replaced the carbon brushes, we need to clear the error code. So by using this as a dial, we're at the 12 o'clock in the off position. We need to turn it to the 6 o'clock position. Then from the 6 o'clock position, holding down the spin button, we can turn it to the 7 o'clock position. Keep it pressed down while doing this for about 5-10 seconds, then turn it to the 12 o'clock program. So let's have a go at doing this. So first we turn it to the spin. F21 showing. Press and hold, turn it to the 7 o'clock position. Wait 5 seconds. Release, turn it to the off position. If we've done it correctly, we should have cleared it. And there we go. We're ready to put it into the spin cycle. Right, now we've actually cleared the error code. We'll start it on a spin cycle. This normally takes about 30 seconds to a minute before the drum will start turning. It doesn't turn immediately on the spin cycle because it's got to do the empty part first. As you can hear, the pump kicks in, then about 30 seconds later to a minute the drum will start to rotate if everything's working correctly. While we're waiting for that to happen, do remember at the website we have hundreds of tutorials on all domestic appliances, and with these Bosch, Neff and Siemens we have specific videos for all individual repairs. From the motor, changing the carbon brushes, the full one is at the website and the link is below in the YouTube description. And we also have videos on how to change the door seal, how to clear the pump, how to remove the pump and replace it, water valves, and even replacing the drum bearings on some models. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please remember to buy your parts from us. We sell all the carbon brushes for Bosch, Neff and Siemens, genuine and patent parts, as I just replaced then. And within a few seconds we should have some sort of drum rotation. Just keep an eye on that, and do remember, there we go, and do remember you can always support the website by donating to our channel on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please remember to mark us to your favourites. Thanks for watching.